Do you want to earn $1 to $10 per click? If that sounds interesting, then watch this video very carefully. What's up YouTube? I am Akshat from Agrawal Bros, and in today's video I'm gonna tell you one website which will help you to earn $1 to $10 per click. So if you are brand new to my channel, then please watch through the collection of videos on my channel. I regularly post content on how to make money online with YouTube, with ClickBank, through copy-paste methods, from TikTok, by being an expert, etc. So you can browse through my channel, and if you like the content, then please like and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for instant notifications. So for this method, let's hop over to this method. Watch this video till the end to understand this concept fully. So the website which I am gonna recommend is called creativelive.com. So basically this website is a training type of website, training class type of website. On this website, a person makes training classes for other people. So you can see one class can change everything. Whatever your level or passion will help you take big leaps fast. These all-time favorites are a great place to start. So if you're good at anything, you can come over to the site and start teaching people. So but I am not gonna teach you about becoming a mentor on this site or something like that. That is a way to earn, but this is not the scope of this video. What I am gonna recommend you is that you should scroll down and click on this, become an affiliate. So you will become an affiliate of this particular site, and we are gonna earn affiliate commission. So let's just click over this. So this is the affiliate program of creativelive.com. The affiliate program, make money by connecting your audience to great content. So you earn $1 for every new registration sign up. So if you promote this particular site and a person signs up through your through your link, then you get $1, and you can then track it, see the leads and sales you generate in real time, track your performance with advanced reporting tool. Now if you are able to make a referral with this, then for each referred affiliate you make $10. That's very cool. You get $10 for each referred affiliate. So if a person signs up and becomes an affiliate through your link, you get $10, just like that. So it's very simple. You can make $1 to $10, and you can also get 20% rev share for new customer sales when a person registers through your link. And for referred affiliates, your rev share for return customer sales, for return customer sales, it's 10%. So this is very good program. You can sign up, and if you click this sign up, it will open up a new page. So this opens up this page. It gives us the details regarding the company, that the Creative Live was founded in 2010 with the mission to empower creators with powerful new skills and inspirational mentorship. And another thing is that it has also given the highlights of Creative Live affiliate program: 20% commission on new customer purchases, 10% commission on return customer purchases, $1 lead payout for every new member registration, 30-day tracking cookie. That's very good. It implants a cookie on every visitor, So that's very beneficial to you. It's kind of like Amazon's cookie system. Large selection of text links and banners, newsletters with program updates, promotion contests, incentive opportunities. Okay, now this opportunity is available worldwide. As you can see, if you click here, all the countries are here. You can see Italy, India, Indonesia, Ireland, Luxembourg, Panama, Peru, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Thailand. Every country is available. You just need to sign up to this, complete all the 5 steps, and register as an affiliate. It takes you know, one to 2 business days for them to review your application, and then you can, you know, start promoting this particular Creative Live affiliate program. You can promote it through your blog if you have one, or you can promote it through your YouTube channel, and you know, you can also promote it via WhatsApp or Facebook groups. You know, there are different ways of promoting a particular affiliate link. So that's it for this video. If you liked the content in this video, then please smash the like button, and also subscribe to our channel where we post regular content on how to make money online. So also press the bell icon for instant notifications. So that is it for today, and stay tuned for more awesome content. Bye bye.